mungkin dia orang tua, Cumi orang tua, dan ada
Papa Cumi.
ya Papa Cumi dan ada Mas Cumi di sini.
Hey guys, how's it going? Hari ini saya di Muara Angke di Jakarta Utara untuk beli seafood. Banyak komen di Instagram dan YouTube saya, Bang Ben, kamu harus di sini untuk seafood paling enak, paling segar. Jadi saya di sini and let's see what I can buy. Keep tuned. Okay guys, saya di Pasar sekarang dan pasar ini buka 24 jam, buka setiap hari juga. Sedikit bau di sini, have to be honest, tapi mungkin ikan paling enak. Jadi, let's go see if we can find some food. Yeah. Sekilo berapa mas?
Sekilonya 65.
65 sekilo. Boleh 50 boleh? 60? Oke. Ya, sekilo. Oke guys, saya Nawar di sini dan harganya 60. Mulai 65. Oke, I'm happy with that. Komen di bawah kalau harganya terlalu mahal, saya mau tahu pendapat kamu. Terima kasih ya. Kasih. Cumi. Okay,
Mantap.
Mantap. Sekarang saya mau pulang karena mau masak ini. Cumi goreng. Keep watching. Okay guys, saya kembali ke rumah saya di dapur sekarang dan saya mau masak cumi. Saya ada banyak tips untuk siapkan dan masak cumi juga. Oh yeah, resep ini simple banget karena ada 5 bahan aja. Jadi tetap nonton. You will have a new, interesting, quality recipe to cook at home. Proper easy too. Okay guys, jangan lupa angkat ini. Saya tidak tahu namanya di bahasa Indonesia. Terus saya belum tahu namanya di bahasa Inggris juga. It's the weird plastic thing in the cumi. Take it out. Kalau kamu tahu namanya di bahasa Indonesia, komen di bawah guys. Saya mau tahu. ini sudah selesai dan saya mau cobain. So guys, really enjoyed making that. This is my version of cumi goreng. In England we call it calamari. Okay, I really like to add lemon juice with salt and pepper just before I fry them for that extra lovely sort of taste going on. Bit of saltiness, a bit of sourness with the lemon as well. I've included sambal bawang. You might have noticed what this was before. Okay, I've included this just because we're in Indonesia and we might as well have a bit of spiciness too. So I'm going to try. Let's get a bit of that lemon. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Bit of that lemon, okay? And we can't not have some of that sambal. Now chop it in. Awesome. Okay, bit of that sambal. Guys, if you're cooking cumi, don't cook it too long. Some people think that you might need to do it for about sort of 8-9 minutes. No. Okay, 3 or 4 minutes only is all you need. You just want to lightly fry it, otherwise it goes far too rubbery and tough to eat. Bit of lime juice or lemon juice in this case, and sambal bawang, it works so well. Some of the tentacles as well. Excellent, I'm going to eat the whole plate. I love this, really good. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to comment below. I love to give you guys advice. Please don't forget to subscribe. Anything you'd like me to cook, comment below as well. Like, subscribe, see you next time. Bye. Okay guys, saya lagi di dapur saya. Yeah, they are really panas.
Wah, gila panas banget dong.